Today we're sharing our honest review of HotHands Body Warmers with Adhesive. We are a large family of 10, and these little warmers have become a staple for us, especially during colder months when the kids are outdoors for extended periods. We use them for outdoor activities, whether it's watching games, hiking, or even just running errands on chilly days. The adhesive makes them incredibly convenient. You can stick them to clothing layers where you need warmth the most. Each warmer claims up to 12 hours of heat, and from our experience, they live up to that promise. The warmth feels consistent and it's not too hot, which makes them safe for both adults and kids. One thing we love is how simple they are to use. Just open the packet, shake it, and in a few minutes, it starts heating up. No batteries, no fuss. Perfect for busy families. We appreciate that these are odorless and feel natural, especially since we're using them around kids. Plus, the materials feel safe and reliable. Overall, these body warmers have been a game changer for us during colder months. Whether you're using them for outdoor sports, work, or winter fun, they're practical, affordable, and easy to keep on hand. If you haven't tried them yet, they're definitely worth a shot.